Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most popular designs of handmade crochet cardigans. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love this type of beautiful collection. Guys, share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most popular designs of crochet handmade cardigans. So different people have different choices, very well, and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see most attractive color themes and most popular designs of crochet handmade totally cardigans. So must apply this amazing collection and must make for yourself. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video, and for those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's in most amazing for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items, and if you want more designs and more ideas, and if you all love these articles, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me and remember me in your precious prayer. See you soon. Take care and bye bye.